Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to center elements vertically and horizontally using CSS positions and transform properties. Okay, I have opened Sublime Text Editor. Let me define the basic HTML elements. Click Enter. Let the title be Center Aligned. Let me define a header element h1 inside the body tag. Let the text be I am perfectly centered. You are not centered perfectly so far. Let's save this and open it in a browser. You can see the text is aligned to the top left corner of the browser. Now we need to center it vertically and horizontally in here. To do so, we have to write the CSS code for this. And I will define the CSS code inside the head element of the same document. First of all, I have to assign a nice background color to the page. So I will select the body element and background color and let it be dark blue. It is a kind of dark blue color. Now let's save this and open it in a browser, and you can see it is a nice background color. I like blue color. Now the main task begins. We have to center this header element to vertically and horizontally in the page. So to do so, I will select the header element and first of all, let me remove the margins and paddings. Margin 0, padding 0, position absolute top 50%, left 50%, and let me save this and open it in the browser, and you can see it is centered but not perfectly. So let's use the transform translate property, transform translate minus 50% to x-axis and minus 50% to y-axis. Now let's save this and open it in a browser, and you can see the text is perfectly centered. One more thing I have to add: text color white, and let me increase the size of the text. Font size for EM. Now let me save this and open it in the browser, and it is looking very nice. Okay, this was one of the way to align elements to the center, and there are many other ways to align elements vertically and horizontally. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like the video if you like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.